Guys, creating product demos and training videos sounds simple until you actually start doing it. You finish the tutorial, and for a moment it feels done. But then the product changes, one step looks different, and suddenly the whole video needs another round of work. That's the real problem with this kind of content. It doesn't stay finished for long. I'm Daniel, and today we are looking at Trupeer AI, a platform that tries to solve this entire workflow differently. Instead of treating video creation like traditional editing, Trupeer uses AI to automate the technical side of the process. So rather than constantly re-recording and rebuilding tutorials, you can focus on the content itself, while the platform handles editing, documentation, synchronization, and even translation. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there, so let's get into it. Before we jump into the actual workflow, folks, let's quickly understand what Trupeer is doing here. Trupeer is an AI platform that turns screen recordings into polished tutorials, product demos, and step-by-step guides. Instead of treating a recording like a raw video file that you need to manually clean up, Trupeer turns it into something you can edit, structure, document, and translate much faster. The main idea is that your recording becomes the starting point, not the final headache. You can upload a walkthrough, let the AI create the script, build the video, and generate the written guide from the same source. That's important, guys, because most tutorial tools only solve one part of the process. They help you record, edit, or write documentation. Trupeer connects these parts together, so the video and the guide don't feel like two separate projects. Once the recording is processed, you can edit the tutorial through the script, instead of cutting everything manually on a timeline. You remove or adjust the text, and the video follows those changes. This makes the workflow much easier to maintain, especially when the product changes after the tutorial is already finished. Friends, for teams, this is where it becomes more useful. Trupeer can also translate the full video and documentation into 65+ languages, so one recording can be reused for different markets, customers, or internal teams. The main value is not just faster editing, it's the ability to turn one walkthrough into a complete content package that is easier to update, localize, and share. So let's see how this actually works in practice, guys. Inside the Trupeer dashboard, you can start by recording your screen directly through the platform. To do that, you install the Trupeer AI Screen Recorder Chrome extension, which allows you to capture either a browser tab or your full screen. In my case, I'm going to upload an existing tutorial that I recorded earlier for another platform. Before generating the project, I can choose the language and select a template depending on the type of content I want to create. Some templates work better for marketing demos, while others are designed for onboarding or technical tutorials. For this example, friends, I'm not going to use a template. I'll simply enable Generate Video and Generate Document. I can also ask Trupeer to translate the content into more than 60 languages automatically. Once everything is ready, I click Generate and the recording starts processing. Here's the result, folks.
We're checking out Trapper, an AI-powered tool that's changing the way technical content gets made. If you're a developer or a startup founder, you know how tough it is to create your own demos or tutorials. Trapper makes it easy by turning a simple screen recording into a polished video and organized documentation in just a few minutes.
First, the platform creates a fully structured video version of my recording. At the same time, it also generates a complete user guide connected directly to the tutorial itself. Inside the Document tab, I can see a fully written version of the tutorial with screenshots automatically inserted in important moments where actions happened during the recording. Everything is structured step by step, so instead of manually writing documentation after recording the video, the system creates it automatically for you. The documentation can immediately be shared with your team, mates, or exported in different formats, like PDF, Word, or Markdown. If needed, you can also rewrite the generated text using custom instructions. You can make the tone more professional, friendly, technical, or business-focused depending on the audience. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's look under the hood of the platform itself, friends. The main workspace is intentionally minimalistic, so you stay focused on the content instead of dealing with a complicated editing interface. The most important part of the system is the script panel. As soon as you upload your screen recording, the AI automatically recognizes every spoken word and converts it into a fully editable script with timestamps. This is where the workflow becomes really different, folks. Instead of editing clips directly on a timeline, like in traditional video editors, you simply edit the text itself like a normal document. If I remove a sentence from the script, that exact section disappears from the video automatically. There's no need to manually trim clips or rebuild the timeline. That completely changes the editing process, guys, because now you're editing the meaning of the tutorial instead of editing raw footage. There are also deeper customization options built directly into the workspace. For example, the AI voice section allows you to switch between different narration styles, from more technical voices to more energetic marketing delivery. You can also switch between male and female voices depending on the type of tutorial you're creating. In the Music tab, mates, you can add background audio, while the Visual section helps you add graphics and interface elements directly into the project. The Zooms feature is also pretty useful, because it automatically focuses attention on important parts of the interface while you're demonstrating something on screen. You can even add an AI avatar presenter directly into the video. There's a large collection of avatars available with different styles and environments. You can also add additional visual elements whenever needed. The best part is that every change you make inside the script syncs with the video in real time, folks. This feels much more like a modern content workflow. You focus on the explanation itself, while the complicated editing work is handled automatically in the background. Once the tutorial is finished, the next logical step is localization. This is where one of Trupeer's strongest features comes in: instant translation. Instead of rebuilding the same tutorial multiple times for different regions, the platform can automatically localize both the script and the voiceover into different languages. This is not just subtitle translation, mates. The entire narration and content structure get adapted for the selected language. Inside the translation menu, I can choose from more than 120 available languages. I select German, click Create Translation, and the translated version immediately starts processing. Once it's finished, friends, we can see that the entire script has been rewritten in German automatically. Let's listen to a quick example.
Heute schauen wir uns Trupeer an, ein KI-Tool, das gerade die Erstellung von technischem Content revolutioniert. Wenn du Entwickler oder Gründer bist, kennst du bestimmt das Problem, eigene Demos oder Tutorials zu machen. Trupeer vereinfacht das Ganze.
I think the idea is pretty clear. You can localize your tutorials and product demos for global audiences without rebuilding the project manually every single time. Once everything is ready, you simply export the final result and upload it directly to your website, onboarding system, internal workspace, or social platforms. After testing the workflow, it becomes pretty clear what Trupeer is really solving here. The platform approaches creating tutorials very differently, guys. Instead of treating tutorials like static videos that constantly need rebuilding, the platform turns them into something much easier to maintain. That's what makes this useful not only for creators, but also for teams handling onboarding, product demos, internal training, or customer education at scale. The translation side is also a huge advantage, because one recording can quickly become content for completely different audiences without rebuilding the entire project from zero. So overall, this feels less like a traditional video editor and more like a modern documentation and tutorial system powered by AI. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And remember, you can use my code in the description for 20% off. Thanks for watching, until next time.